Two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface of the area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, what is that they are telling? Well, we have a cube. So what is the property of a cube? If you look at it any side, the dimensions will be the same. Right? This is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is z-axis. Okay, in all of this dimension, it looks the same. That's the property of a cube. So basically, the height, length, and the breadth is one and the same for a cube. So each of its dimension is A, and A, and the volume it's given to be, right? We should always mark what we are reading. 64 centimeter cube. It's 3 dimension, right? So it is cube. Okay. Now it is joined end to end to form a cuboid. So what they're telling is, I have this, I replicated this, okay, and I joined it like this, right? So it will look like this. This is a cuboid, right? This is a cuboid. And not jointed pura exactly end to end, but yeah, this gives a good picture of how a cuboid looks. So here, what is the property of a cuboid? A cuboid has length, breadth, and height to be of different dimension. Okay, so generally it is so. In this case, we have, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. So what is the length, breadth, and height? Well, height and breadth is one and the same as a cube. In this case, it happens to be so. Length will be what? Length will be 2i's because there are two of it, na? So this will be 2a. This is a and this is a. I'll show it to you. See, if I go to the x-axis, you can see it is still it's the same object, just that we are watching from side. And this is your y-axis and z-axis. Z-axis from the top we are looking, y-axis from the side. So this is at a weird angle. So you can see this is how it looks. It's still a cuboid only, right? That's why this is a and a. This is 2a. This is a square which we already saw, and this is of different length. Now, basically, if I find a, my answer is done. But how do we find a? Well, to calculate a, we begin with finding the volume of a cube, which is a cube. So what is the volume of a cube? 64 is equal to a cube. So a is equal to cube root of 64. So this is nothing but 4 centimeter. Done. So once we have this, so this will be equal to basically 8. This will be basically equal to 8. This will be 4 and this will be 4. So now surface area of a cuboid is length is 2a, which is 8 centimeter. Breadth is 8, which is 4 centimeter. Height is also a, which is again 4 centimeter. And so the formula goes like this: 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL, and substitution 2 times of L is 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. People who want to do it directly can do it. If not, you can go with my way, taking common. So if I take common from the first term, what should be left out? 2, right? 2 into 4 into 4 is 8 into 4 plus, here it's 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is, sorry, 4 into 4 into 1 is 4 into 4. And here again 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. And this is 16. Right? So this is easy multiplication. So the answer is 160 centimeter square, not cube, square. Okay. Okay, a small note. Of course, you guys can't draw this in your exam. So you can do a rough diagram like this. Okay. So it's okay. You need not take your scale and pencil and all of that. Just do a rough diagram like this and write the same data. So no, your teachers will not tell anything. You need not use scale. So, but yes, my suggestion is always draw the diagrams.